despite data meriting some kind of a rally.
Right, Lata, thanks a lot for that wrap of all the macro numbers. But speaking of macros, current account deficits spiking to 4.4% of the GDP in the second quarter and exports declining to 12% in December. The government is working on measures to boost exports to newer markets and to check imports of Chinese goods. Abhimanyu Sharma is now joining us with more on that. Abhimanyu, tell us, what are some of these measures that the government is looking at?
India is aiming to increase its exports to countries which are experiencing growth like Brazil. India is also looking to add more geographies to its export list, even as several key nations to which exports used to take place earlier are experiencing a slowdown. Hence, India is looking at other options to increase its exports. The possibility of a rise in electronic exports to Russia is also being looked at due to a huge demand for Indian electronics in the country. Government sources have indicated that under-invoicing and import of substandard goods from China continues to remain a cause of concern. Hence, action is being taken by the Customs and Revenue Department in this regard. As far as the availability of food is concerned and the review of export ban is there, the government is looking at domestic production, food stock and market availability before pushing for any food exports. All government departments are ensuring ample availability of wheat stock, and any clearance for export of wheat will only come after several government departments reach a consensus about ample domestic availability of wheat. Last year, the export of wheat was heavily regulated by the government after crops had failed in various parts of North India due to a severe heat wave. It remains to be seen what decision will be taken in this regard by the government.
Thanks a lot for that update, Abhimanyu. Now,